Have you ever wondered how YouTube works? You're not alone. YouTube is a massive platform with countless videos and creators. Understanding it can open doors to endless entertainment and learning. YouTube serves as a hub for videos, from music and vlogs to tutorials and documentaries. Millions of creators share their content here, making it a vibrant space. But how exactly does it all function? First, anyone can create a channel on YouTube. Just sign up, and you're ready to upload your content. It's as easy as that. Next, viewers can like, share, and subscribe to channels. This interaction helps creators gain visibility and grow their audience. YouTube also features playlists. These help organize content, making it easier to find what you love. You can create your own playlists or follow others. Discovering new content becomes a breeze. In addition, YouTube's algorithm plays a vital role. It suggests videos based on your viewing habits. This personalization keeps the platform engaging and tailored to your interests. For creators, monetization is a key aspect. Once you meet certain requirements, you can earn money through ads, memberships, and merchandise. This incentivizes quality content creation. Now let's recap. YouTube connects creators and viewers, offers personalization through an algorithm, and allows for content organization via playlists. Want to dive deeper? Check out more tutorials and guides on using YouTube effectively. Whether you're a viewer or a creator, there's always something new to learn on YouTube.